In this video, we will see how to implement the video player in .NET MAUI. Watch the full video without skipping any part of this. For that, we need to install the Community Toolkit .MAUI and Community Toolkit MAUI media element. Once installed, we need to add the media element namespace in the XAML file and include the media element view itself having built-in media controls, as well as this controls provides many options to change the view aspect ratio, determine media element status, different modes of media files loading in from file, from URI, and from resource. Also provides options to change the volume of the player. To more features of this control, visit the official document provided by Microsoft. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos on .NET MAUI and mobile app developments. Like the video and share to your circle to support us.